Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace headlight bulb 2006 BMW X3. Pop the hood, disconnect the battery, and remove the headlight access cover to reach the bulb. Unplug the wiring harness, twist out the old bulb, and install the new one without touching the glass. Reconnect the harness, test the light, and reassemble the cover. If alignment is off, adjust the aim screws until the beam sits correctly. You only need a few basic tools and a matched replacement bulb to finish this job quickly. A 10 mm socket and ratchet, a flat screwdriver, and gloves will make the process smoother and safer. Working methodically prevents losing clips or over-tightening screws that control headlight aim. Slow, steady steps mean you finish with a properly seated bulb and a tested beam pattern, avoiding repeat trips to the parts store. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more DIY content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep your snacks intact between garage work and the road. They stack neatly in your toolbox or trunk, and they save time on busy days under the hood. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the headlight access cover to expose the rear of the assembly. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it free. Release any retaining clips, then twist the bulb counterclockwise and withdraw it from the housing. Inspect the socket for corrosion and replace if needed. Fit the new bulb, align tabs, twist clockwise until secure, reconnect power, and test the light before replacing the cover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.